Total station surveyors play a crucial role in the construction and design industry, especially in areas like Dadri and Noida. These professionals are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping land features, which helps in the planning and execution of various construction projects. With the advancement in technology, total station surveyors now use high-tech equipment called total stations, which combine electronic distance measurement, EDM, and theodolite functions. These total stations provide accurate measurements and allow surveyors to collect data quickly and efficiently. In Dadri and Noida, the demand for total station surveyors is high due to the rapid urbanization and infrastructure development taking place in these areas. These surveyors are employed by construction companies, architects, engineers, and government agencies to ensure that land is properly surveyed before any construction work begins. They are also responsible for creating detailed maps and drawings, which are used by designers and architects in the planning process. One of the key responsibilities of total station surveyors in Dadri and Noida is to establish control points on the site. These control points act as reference points for all measurements taken during the surveying process. The surveyors use the total station to measure the distance and angles between these control points and other features on the site. This data is then used to create accurate topographic maps, which show the elevation and contour lines of the land. SCON Design is one of the leading firms that provide total station surveying services in Dadri and Noida. They have a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors who are well-versed in using total stations and other advanced surveying equipment. SCON Design understands the importance of accurate measurements in construction projects and ensures that their surveyors adhere to the highest standards of precision and professionalism. Total station surveyors are essential in the design and construction industries, particularly in places like Dadri and Noida. The precise measurement and mapping of terrain features by these experts aids in the design and implementation of several construction projects. Total stations are cutting-edge pieces of equipment that combine the operations of a theodolite with an electronic distance meter, EDM, thanks to technological advancements in surveying. These complete stations offer precise measurements and enable quick and effective data collection for surveyors. Total station surveyors are in high demand in Dadri and Noida because of the area's rapid infrastructure growth and urbanization. To make sure that the property is accurately surveyed before any building work begins, these surveyors are hired by construction companies, architects, engineers, and governmental organizations. They are also in charge of producing comprehensive maps and drawings that architects and designers use in the planning process. Establishing control points on the site is one of the main duties of total station surveyors in Dadri and Noida. All measurements made throughout the surveying procedure are referenced against these control points. The surveyors measure the distances and angles between these control points and other site characteristics using a total station. Accurate topographic maps that display the elevation and contour lines of the land are then produced using this data.